Welcome to How to Run Profitable Retreats. I am Lainey Cavazos, retreat strategist and host of the show for coaches, entrepreneurs, and transformational leaders who want to design retreats that actually make money. If you've ever put your heart into a retreat only to walk away exhausted or worse, broke, you are not alone. This podcast is here to change that. Each week, I'll bring you stories, strategies, and expert insights to help you create meaningful, transformational retreats that also support your business, your lifestyle, and your bottom line. Let's make your next retreat not just powerful, but profitable. Before we dive into today's conversation, I want to make sure you know about something that could completely change the way you run your retreat business. If you ever felt unsure about how to price, market, or consistently sell out your retreats, this is your invitation to stop guessing and start building something scalable. I am hosting the Sold Out Retreats Workshop live in Las Vegas, a full-day, high-impact experience designed to help you build your profitable retreat empire in one powerful day. You'll walk away with a pricing system that guarantees profit, so no more guesswork. Magnetic messaging that attracts ideal clients without constant posting. And then the exclusive transformation location to pick a retreat spot that sells. And a complete sales system designed to fill your retreats every single time. This is for coaches, facilitators, and transformational leaders who are ready to run retreats like a business, not a side hustle. There's only 8 premium seats and limited VIP spots, and they will sell out. So go now and reserve yours now at theretreatplanner.com/live. This is not another mindset event. This is your business plan in action. Let's turn your passion into a profitable transformational retreat model. Welcome to another podcast episode of How to Run Profitable Retreats. I am your host, Lainey Cavazos, and today we have this mini episode where I am just going to tell you all about our live workshop in Vegas, because I want you to understand what it entails and why do you want to come and get on a plane flight and come to beautiful Vegas and have this experience, okay? So, this workshop is where vision meets strategy, right? It's where we make your retreat business a profitable one. Now, when we talk about this, right, and we go deeper into this understanding, I want you to tell you that this is not another mindset workshop where you're going to come and everything is going to be here and expansive and without any actions. We are going to do the work. We're going to do the inner work, we're going to do the outer work, and we are going to create a plan that has action steps. So you just stop being that person who dreams about hosting retreats, but is actually creating those retreats, yeah? So what you're going to get out of these live workshops, it's a one-day intensive, right? So come ready, get your gear up, do your breath work and meditation in the morning, because we are going to be working with a step-by-step framework so you get retreats that sell. We're going to be having a smart profit system, right? So you learn how you can profit from your retreat first, right? One of our previous episodes, it was all about profit first, right? We're going to be talking about magnetic messaging that attracts the ideal client. Remember, we've been speaking about perceived value, right? Now we need to learn how do we communicate that perceived value to the customer. Because if you're talking a different language, it's like if I'm selling in Chinese to someone who speaks Spanish. We do not want that, yeah? I'm also we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to teach you how to choose your location based on the elements. That's a little bit of a bonus there. And at the end of the day, you are going to walk out with a scalable retreat system that you can use on automation, and it's aligned with who you are and how you show up in the world. So this is not a workshop where I'm going to teach you how to go and post on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or TikTok. No. I'm going to teach you a system that you can implement in whatever social media channels out there. You'll be able to have press releases, win awards, get on speaking engagements, right? Get on stages. Whatever it is, the system that will help you get those clients. This is not a cookie cutter strategy place, right? When you walk away, no one in the room will have the same strategy that you do. Because we take in consideration who you are, what you offer, what problem do you solve. And then you create something that works for you, your business, your ideal client. So that's why coming live into these events and having this space where you're not just hanging out with me, where you're hanging out with industry leaders, right? You're getting a seat on the table is so important for your business. At the end of the day, the difference that you make in the world and in your business, it's completely correlated with the spaces where you choose to spend your time. So if you choose to hang out with your friends who are drinking and smoking, you're going to drink and smoke more. But if you choose to spend the time with other retreat leaders who are changing the industry and are doing a big change in their lives, then guess what? You are going to be changing lives as well, sooner than you can even imagine. If you're ready to sign up, just go to the bottom below and click on the retreatplanner.com/live, and I'll see you in Vegas. Bye.